Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. Of all the state assemblies going for election in the month of April, it is the assembly election in West Bengal that has drawn more eyes. It wouldn't be wrong to say that the West Bengal assembly elections are high stake. For BJP, it is the only opposition-ruled state which they are yet to win. From PM Modi to Home Minister Amit Shah, Party President JP Nadda to scores of union ministers, all have descended in West Bengal, almost making it look like Mamata versus all of BJP fight. On the other hand, this is the third time Mamata Banerjee is seeking power in the state. Anti-incumbency, the big BJP challenge are major factor. But more than that, since Banerjee is contesting from only one seat against her own confidant, Suvendu Adhikari, her entire political career is also at stake. But the West Bengal elections assume greater significance because the outcome of the elections will also decide or rather shape the future of opposition in the country. Even after the 2014 saffron wave, Mamata Banerjee was able to evade the BJP effort in the state in 2016. However, by 2019, there seemed a significant shift in the state with the BJP winning whopping 18 seats. This surprised many and came as a warning sign for Mamata Banerjee. So Mamata Banerjee this time around is leaving no stone unturned in the campaigning. Last week, however, the matters took a serious turn. Mamata Banerjee, who was returning from her campaign rally, claimed that she was manhandled by 4 to 5 people amid a crowd of her supporters, other people. She claimed that they tried to push her in the car and shut the car door on her foot. Later, talking to media persons, the injured West Bengal Chief Minister was seen in her car holding her left leg. She then moved to Kolkata, where she was admitted to SSKM hospital. The images of Mamata Banerjee lying on hospital bed with her left leg plastered flashed on TV screens. The doctors of the hospital said that she suffered injuries on her shoulders, legs and also her ankles. There were also minor ligament injuries. The very next day, she issued a video for her supporters and urged that they should maintain peace and not cause any trouble for the public. A day later, she was discharged from the hospital. She came out of a hospital in a wheelchair, feet covered in a bandage. She then declared that even in this condition, she will campaign for the party and she will be doing so sitting in a wheelchair. So remember this image and take a good look because possibly this could change the game in West Bengal. Sitting Chief Minister of West Bengal, one of the strongest opposition leader in the country, Party Supremo, whose career is at stake, campaigning in the state on a wheelchair. This incident definitely has shocked everyone, but it has also left people divided. While the TMC claims it was a deliberate attack and Election Commission failed to carry out its duty of maintaining law and order, opposition parties call it a staged drama. As soon as the news of her injury broke out, several leaders across the country came out in Banerjee's support and wished her speedy recovery. This included Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav, SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav, etc. While some people in the Congress leadership expressed concern, its PCC Chief Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary called it a drama. So is BJP and left calling it a whole new drama. While leaders are squabbling over how to react to this incident, it is worth going back in time and recall a similar incident from 1990s. Mamata Banerjee is often described as a street fighter and it is not without a reason. When we talk about a street fighter, we also count the injuries by default and these injuries have defined Mamata Banerjee as a leader from the start of her career. In 1990, when Mamata Banerjee was still a Congress leader, her skull was injured in one such attack from CPIM leader. Lalu Alam, a youth CPIM leader, attacked Mamata Banerjee with sticks. The blows led to injury to her skull. Several leaders of TMC who were with Banerjee recall that despite profusely bleeding after the attack, she stood her ground and refused to leave the spot. She got 18 stitches to her skull with only local anesthesia. According to a doctor who presided over the surgery, had mentioned that while the surgery was going on, she did not even flinch. This surgery also took place at SSKM hospital where Banerjee was admitted now also. But this was not the only incident. political violence in West Bengal is still far from over, and in those days the violence was at its peak. On July 21, 1993, also regarded as Martyr Day by TMC, 13 youth Congress workers were killed in police firing near Mayo Road. The protesters under Mamata Banerjee's leadership were marching towards Writers' Building. To stop them, hundreds of policemen were deployed. When protesters refused to disperse, the police resorted to lathi charge, they lobbed tear gas shells, and eventually they resorted to open fire. Some corps later revealed that the police was also ordered to assault Mamata Banerjee. These incidents not only cemented her position as a fearless leader but also put her on a national spotlight. Even after leaving Congress and founding her own party, the image has not changed. This also reflects in the way TMC attained power, through Nandigram movement. Though she is now fighting against her own protege who stood with her during Nandigram movement, one cannot deny that Mamata over the years, due to her style of fearless politics, commands respect. Whether the recent incident results in a sympathy wave for her, whether it will restore or refurbish the street fighter image is what we must look forward to. Meanwhile, an Election Commission inquiry report rules out any possibility of attack and says it could be an accident. The TMC, however, refuses to believe it. In fact, it has given a spin to the popular Khela Hobe song. So before we end this show, watch the song.
বিজেপি আজ আত্মরাচি দিলীপ কিসের কাঁদবে তবে বন্ধু এবার খেলা হবে বন্ধু এবার খেলা হবে খেলা খুলে খেলা হবে দুটার দুটার খেলা হবে এই নন্দীগ্রামে খেলা হবে ভাঙা পাতি খেলা হবে ভাঙা পাতি খেলা হবে ভাঙা পাতি খেলা হবে।
That's all for today's video. Do like the video, comment below it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Independent media is the pillar of strong democracy. We are doing our bit, but to do this, we require your support. We have launched our membership drive on HW News English. Click on the join button on our YouTube channel. You will see that there are 2 levels of membership. The details will be given to you in a video at the end of the video. So please do pay us and support us to strengthen the democracy. Thank you so much.
The emerging backbone of India's economy are our startups. They represent India's youth. They represent India's aspirations. They represent India's hopes. They represent our fight against an insensitive bureaucracy, against an insensitive system. They represent the fight of our startup entrepreneurs against an indifferent system, against an insensitive banker, against challenges of dealing with the government, and against all the odds with which they started a startup. Every startup begins with a brilliant idea, a unique idea, an idea which nobody else thought of, and that becomes a business enterprise. We are starting our next episode series on what we call startup stories. It is our curiosity to know what was that idea, what was the motivation, what was the determination because of which one talented entrepreneur, without any background of business perhaps, decided to venture out on his own and create a successful enterprise. These are the ideas that motivate us also. If you have a startup story which is interesting, we would want to talk to you also. Come back to us with your own startup stories and you might also be the person we would like to talk to.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.